How to type in paragraphs in your Microsoft Teams messages. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can add the paragraph level detailing or styling in your Microsoft Teams messages. So if you wish to use different paragraph settings, let's say H1, H2, H3 or so that your text looks more beautiful and more readable, then you can utilize this simple trick. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is open any chat window like I have done here. And then the next thing that we'll be going to do is simply click onto this message box. Now, after clicking onto the message box, we can click onto this plus icon. And once we click onto this plus icon, you can see this menu appearing right here. Now, within this menu, you will need to click onto this first option, that is show formatting options. Simply click here, and from here you can see a whole lot of different menu or tabs at the top. Now let me type in the main heading first. So let's say this is the main heading of my paragraph. So what I can do is simply select this thing, and then I can click onto these three dots, and from here you can see the paragraph option. So click onto this paragraph option, and from here I'm gonna select the H1 or the main heading. So now this will be the main heading within the H1. If it does not work, you can try that again. So now we are successfully setting this as the main heading. Then you can type in the subheading. So let's say this is your subheading, and you can simply select it and then click onto the three dots, go to paragraph and choose it as heading 2. And similarly, you can create this as heading 3. So this would be basically more smaller than the above two. Simply select them, go to the paragraph, choose heading 3, and then finally we will typing in our paragraphs within this particular subheading. So you can simply select the paragraphs, go to the paragraph again and choose paragraphs, and this will be in this format. So now you can see different types of headings within your Microsoft Teams message. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.